Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Observation. A photograph freezes time, eliminating all evidence of motion. Problem? Static racing cars look parked. Running athletes look posed. Solution? Motion blur. Method. Convert your subject layer to a smart object. Apply filter, blur, motion blur. Set angle to 0 degrees for horizontal speed. Set distance to 40 pixels. This controls how far the blur trails extend. Now add a layer mask. Paint black over your subject with a soft brush at low opacity, gradually revealing sharpness on the subject while the background remains blurred. Result? The subject appears sharp and focused. The world around it, a streaking, kinetic blur. Conclusion?